Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I got the floor panel off from here. I need to weld a new plate in here. As I cut from here, it opened up and the floor panel is here. So now it's easier to get the rust on the beams in here. Easier to clean up all these. And also take the bolts out. So I take the shocks out, both sides, the bolts. From here, and now I want to move this whole thing. This should be touching this. So there's not supposed to be this much of a gap. It was full of rust and dust. And now I need to get rid of all the rust in here and give it a little paint job or something like that. Same on the other side. It's open in here, so let's try to move this. Let's try to move this bad boy somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, I tried the other jack because this won't work like horizontal. So I tried the other jack, but yeah, got a little bend on it. So this is useless. Okay, so I hammer it from here and I put jack on the other side only. Okay, let's try. Yeah, it works. And why I'm doing this is there's so much rust in here. Okay. Yeah. I broke this plastic doohickey. Well, be careful. Yeah, I'm moving this because there's so much rust between this and this these two parts. Okay, so this is the thing I was saying. It's all this in here. The same on the other side. Okay, now we hit the point. In here there's rust and dust. Now I need to get rid of that, and then I can give it a little hollow section coat, and then I can move this back, and I think it's gonna be good. Okay, now I'm gonna heat up and then put some hollow section spray in here. Okay, now they are coated, this side, and the other side has a nice coat of this hollow section spray. Now we'll just move the beam back there on the place and then put the bolts back together. Okay, let's move the beam back on its place. Okay, they look pretty good. I think it's everywhere in there. Gaps. The other side also. Put the bolts and nuts back on, and also the shocks put back on the holes in there. Okay, now just need to get all this back together. These big ones are for the shocks. Just put these on the side. Okay, that will hold. That will not hold. Bolts are back. So it's now secured. I also have some leftovers. One is okay, but the other ones are broken. Now I need to clean the windows. They have old silicone sealant in here on the sides, so I need to take care of them, take them off, and give it a good scrub before we install them into the van. So there is some kind of puddle sealant and the almost clear one. The white one is silicone, and this is glass wool. Oh well, yeah, more. Now I have cleaned the edges with the blade, and all I need to do is wipe it with acetone or something similar. Okay, this is now clean, so let's do the other window. Okay, same thing here. Let's get rid of the puddle and the silicone. Now the smaller window has also been cleaned. The puddle and the silicone are now gone. Still have a little dust in here and the old insulation, but it's coming pretty nice. I don't know if this have lots of scratches. Maybe you can see a few, but I think we can polish this if we need to get rid of the scratches. Thank you for watching this episode. I like to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2021.